Simply finding an agency isn't enough. You must also have the confidence and trust that they are reliable to drive results. With your Agency Vista business profile, we help match you with the right agency for your business. You also have the option of comparing agencies yourself through our search engine. To get started, you will be on the business section of our website, and you have two options like I've mentioned, letting us match you, or you can start browsing on your own and comparing agencies. We're going to go with that first option first, and this is where you're simply going to tell us a little bit about your business so we can better match you. What is your business size? What industry is your business in? You will click continue. Where is your business located? All simple information to get you matched. What languages do your customers speak? Continue. And again, you can add as much information as you would like or as few, but it is important to add as much as you can because this will just help with the overall result of agencies. What networks are most important to your business? You do have the option of adding that link to your profile. For the sake of time, I simply won't be doing that. And last but not least, what is your marketing budget? From there, you're simply going to be asked to put in your name, email address, and if you already have an account with us, this won't be needed. You will click continue, and this will show a side-by-side comparison of the agencies that we have identified as top performing for your business. You can take a look at the reviews, the locations, the partnerships, verified clients, managed profile pages, and at the bottom of the page, you also have the option of clicking View Profile. And this is truly where you can dive a little bit deeper in getting to know that agency further. You can check out their reviews that other clients have been giving them and raving about them. You can take a look at their team. Again, just a true transparency in this agency that they are who they say they are. From there, the best of yet, here at the top where it says connect with agencies, if you click on this, this will automatically send every agency that was picked for you a description of your business and what you are looking for. They will then be able to send you proposals to your profile. Best of yet, on your business profile, you will be able to know which agency is reaching out to you based on the notifications and your dashboard settings once they have reached out to you. The second option you have is to browse on your own and having a side-by-side comparison. On that business homepage, you're simply going to click Start Browsing, and this will take you to our search engine. This is where you will place your business industry. You will place your business size, the location, and the budget that your business would like to stay under. And once you click Search, it will give you a wide range of agencies to select from. Now, I know this can be a bit overwhelming, so the good news is that you can compare these agencies side by side. You will simply click Compare on the right side of the page, and you can select any agency that you are interested in. So it can be any 4 to 5. Let's say we select this one. You will click Compare on the bottom of the page. And on this page, you will have a side-by-side comparison of each agency with their digital marketing footprint, reviews, client sizes, languages that they speak, and a plethora of information that you can utilize to understand and know if this agency is the best fit for you. Best of yet, you have the option of taking it one step further and seeing that individual agency's profile. Each tab on the top of their profile page lets you know a little bit more about this agency. If you click on Performance, it will show you the metrics that this agency has used on a daily basis so you know what they are most proficient in, and it will also let you see the effectiveness of their work. And on the portfolio section, you will get to see what businesses this agency has worked with. And remember, these are verified clients, so they have given the green light to say that they are proud to work with this agency, which truly speaks volumes as to this agency's ability to perform. Reviews based on their clients, you will be able to see teams, again, just truly letting you know that this is somebody that you can rely on, and also partnerships or certifications that this agency has. This is a great way to understand what is the best agency for you, and those are the two options you have with Agency Vista.